Alright, so today we're talking about surge protectors slash power strips. You know that thing when you go to hotels and there just aren't enough plugs and you can't plug your phone and your laptop and whatever else you're carrying around, or like me, you work at a co-working place like a WeWork and there just aren't enough plugs? Well, this might be the solution to that. Bestek sent us a bunch of stuff. This box is a little smashed up because it came in with a bunch of other things. But this is the MRJ-3003, and it is a portable travel thing. I have not opened this yet, so let's go all the way through it. See what's in it. Simple box. Can throw that out. One sticker. Two stickers. Typical Chinese warranty card with QR codes and a thing that says that basically if you register it, you get better service. If you don't register it, you don't get better service. I never believe any of that. Chances are you're not going to get good service in it either way. Instruction book on how to install it, but we'll go through that entire thing, and a little pad to put down the marks of where you need to put screws on when you want to install it to the wall. Okay, let's get this thing opened up. So this thing is $27 on Amazon. Link in the description down below. Sorry, it's taking forever to get this thing off. We got a standard, we have a standard grounded US plug, Velcro strap, looks like some pretty decent gauge cord, and looks like what is a 6-foot extension cord. Let's pop this thing out of here, and there it is. So it has this little stand, which, let's see if we can pop off. Yep, there it is. So you can mount this thing on a wall and use this little template to do it, either by putting 2 screws on it or using these nifty little 3M adhesive pads. So you could have this mounted like by your bed or something like that. Let's get to the cube here. One side the wire comes in, 3 standard US 115 volt plugs, 3 USB type A's 2.4 volts, and 1 type C 3 amp, so 15 watt USB-C. What does that mean? That means that you cannot use this with a MacBook Pro or a Dell laptop to charge it but you can use it for fast charging on almost any cell phone. I would say it looks actually pretty good, right? Look at that thing. The question is how it works in real life. So for that, we're gonna go straight to work tomorrow morning, right? Alright, it's Monday morning. We made it to the office. Let's get this thing plugged in and test it out for the day. This is my workspace. Looks pretty good in that position. Time for the daytime time lapse.